Okay, starting the day bright and early. Okay, well, maybe not bright, but definitely early. I'm heading out to the mechanic. Fingers crossed they can work some Christmas magic on my car. Well, I made it to the shop. The sign looks promising. Okay, Miss D's. I hope the D stands for discount because I sure need it. I forgot to fill you in. My car broke down for the holidays. Okay. This is what you call a festive welcome. Mechanic shop stepping up their decor game. Now we wait and wait and some more wait. I've been here for like about 3-4 hours, I should say. But I'm just wondering how much this is going to cost. But at least my beanie's cute. Hey. Well, good news and bad news. The car is halfway there, just like me during the holidays. But to be continued. But hey, nothing beats a little walk through the leaves to clear my mind. I'm back home where it all began. The mechanic may have not solved all my problems, but guys, at least this vlog is done. Another Vlogmas in the bag. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye.